1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. Hope you're having a great day. Now, the irony is not lost on me that I'm playing a song about an electric guitar, the song being called Plug-in Baby by Muse, on an acoustic guitar. But to be honest with you, I don't care. It's a great riff, it feels good on the fingers, it's a really good workout, and when you get good at it, it's an incredibly good muscle workout on the fingers and a lot of fun to play. So let's start learning it now. I do have some tab to this one, so I recommend that you grab that. I've left a link at the bottom of the video to do that. Okay, so we are starting on fret 8 on the D string. Eddie 8 Dynamite, good by Eddie, E-A-D, G-B-E. Now, if I were to say to you, you use your ring finger on 8, it means that you'd use your index finger on 6, your middle finger on 7, and your pinky finger on 9. Okay, really important to get those fingers sorted out when you start learning this. So I'll play the first part for you. So we're ring finger on 8, pinky on 9 on the same string, index stretched out ready to play 6 on the string below, then ring finger back on 8. Okay. Then 9 again. Then index ready on the 6, middle finger on the 7, then pinky finger back on the 9 on the string above. So that part is putting it all together. Good. Next bar. 6 on the D string, so that's index finger, middle finger on 7 on that same string, pinky finger on the 9, then middle finger on 7 on the B string, then you're going to hammer, that means slap the ring finger down onto 8, and then pull it away to flick off. Okay, so you've got then 9 on the G string, pinky finger, middle finger on 7 on the same string, and index finger on 6. So it goes back the way it came. Let's put them both together. Okay, very good. Ring, pinky, index, ring, pinky, index, middle, pinky, index, middle, pinky, middle, hammer ring, flick ring, pinky, middle, index. Okay. Very good. Next bar is the same. I'll play it for you. I was about to say it's the same as the previous bar, but it's not. So we're then pinky finger on 9 on the D, index on 6 on the G, middle finger on 7 on the G, pinky back on 9 on the D. Then index on 6, middle on 7, pinky on 9, index on 6. Okay, so that's that bar. Okay, next bar. That's right. So, your 7 on G, pinky on 9 on the same string, then 7 on the B string this time, And then we're going to hammer to 8 and flick away to 7 again. Then 6 on the B, and then 7. So we go 6, 7, 6. I'll put that together for you again. And now I'll take it from the beginning slowly so that hopefully you can play along with me. Okay, well done. Let's do the next bar. So you can see I'm making a bar chord now on fret 7 on the D, G, B and E. Now you don't need the E string, but anyway, just press those 4 strings down. And then you're going to pick the B string, the D string, the G string. Then you're going to play fret 9 on the A string. Keep your bar there though, don't move it, leave it there because you're going to come back to it very quickly. Then go back, 7, 7, 7. So we go B, G, B, G, D, A, G, B. And then 9 on the B string. So the really challenging join with this is to do the 6, 7, 6, then into the bar. Now it may not seem that hard slowly, but quickly, it's harder. Okay, little tip, if you're using a plectrum to do this, which I recommend, put your finger on the body of the guitar to stay nice and close to the strings. Okay, next bar. So I'm taking that 9 that we just played and I'm bending it a half tone. Now, if you don't know what that means, it means we're making this string the same sound as fret 10. Sorry, my mistake, sorry. Yeah, fret 10, here. So it's just a half step. So my advice is put your fingers in a line, bring your thumb up over the top and push all the fingers together. So you pull them all together to get the purchase that you need to change that note from this. You see, I've got it to that same note there. So you're bending the note, then you're returning it. So it goes da. Then we go to 7 on the B string note, so I'm using the index. Then move the index down to 6, then 7, 6, then 7 on the string above, 6 on the string above, 7. So it's... Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it together because I think it's a bit simpler to understand from where the bar chord happens. A little bit quicker. So really important to get that bend in tune. And how you can check the tuning is you want it to be the same note as the one just next door. Okay, now into the next part. This is all a repeat from now on. Finishes on that 9. So everything is repeated. Once you've done the bar that goes, once you've done the 7s, and you start here on bar 7, it just goes round in a circle from the beginning. So pretty simple to understand. Also, if you've got the tab, that'll make it easy. You can kind of see what I mean, where things then just go round in a circle. So there's 14 bars. So that's why at bar 7 is half of 14. It then just goes round again. The last bar is just a 9 on the pinky finger to finish while it holds and the singing starts. So there you go. Really fun song. My advice to get the speed up, start slow, and then just get it quicker and quicker and quicker. Use a metronome to train it. The speed is 136, so if you started at somewhere about 90 and then you went up by 5-10 BPM increments, that's a good way to speed train it. Enjoy.